In this, uh, yeah, I created a student controller. It is instantiating from the base class controller and created the um, object from the private read-only student context. This is the class student context. It is the student class context. It is instantiating from DB context. Here DB context is the representation with database and can be used to query and save instances of your entities. And the student context is the constructor, and it is also derived from the base options, um, passing the parameter here DB context options means use the options to be used by DB context to create instances of this class, and it is not designed to directly constructed in application code. Is the DB set? DB set can be used to query and save instances of students. Hmm. Query against a DB set will be transferred into queries against the database. The results of link query against DB set will contain the result written from the database. May reflect changes made in the context that are not have been purposed to the database. If the students um, object, like it is linked definition. It is the class Microsoft dot entity framework dot db set or dot db set entity is the model students ID, name, and age. Here is the mm, variable context and public student controller is the constructor, and passing the student context class parameters, and this is the dependency injection, and object of this is the in parameters passing object, without creating new object, and assigning the this context to this public action result index return view, and it is the entity framework returning the students DB set model students. and student context are students, and this is the view model IML students. Once I run the code, app settings are JSON, student context is a server and database, and DB trusted connection to multiple active result sets is true, and trust certificate true. Program.js is the DB context, and services dot the DB context builder. It is the local variable dot services. This collection of services for the application to compass, which is from the web application. PSP dot core dot builder dot web application. It is the create builder class. Initializes any instance of application builder class. And builder dot service dot add a DB context. Add DB context use the method when using dependency in your application, such as .NET, ASP.NET Core. For application that doesn't use dependency, consider creating DB context instance directly with its constructor. The DB context dot on configuring DB context options builder method can be overridden to configure constants and other options. And this is the employee context, and this us, and the options parameter options. This is the link key options dot use SQL Server configure to context to connect to the Microsoft SQL Server database. And this is the builder variable, local variable builder dot, and this is the configuration. Configuration is a collection of configuration provides for application purpose. Dot get connection string, and this is the shortened for get section connection string and name the name. This is the employee context kept. Sorry, this is a student context. I need to say what I have told them. And this is the map control router name of the router and pattern your pattern of the router. Once run, it is taking time because it is meant for person memory. I think I will get the error because data is even the student will get the error. I think. Not sure. It is getting error. Exception being has been raised. That is likely due to transient failure. Consider enabling transient by enable to use SQL Server call because databases are not there in the data, my Microsoft SQL Server. Now I create the database. Students we have to create as the name same as the model class and then the refreshing. Here table I have to create ID name and age same as the model class. Students model class integer string name age. This is the integer. I have to keep the primary key. Mm, maybe set primary key. Time and marker and then age and saving this as students. Database name, table name is the table name. Database name what I put students DB. Basic. I'm reading the students student DB. Student DB. It is loading. Oh, unable to renew. Failed. We have to again do this because we have created a table, I think. We have the query alternatives better in the alter database name. I have to do, but forgot. Student DB. ID. Mm. And setting the primary key. D name, and this is the and where can and this is the age and where can max. No, saving is sorry, students. I'm manually inserting the table. Memory is 90%. They consume lot of space. Enter. Here is 32. It is very slow. We have to execute this. insert the data. Like this, we'll insert this data one. Now we check the code. Sorry, browser. Okay. Fashion student controller and index. Enable to cast string to what I kept. Oh, I kept this is the ages and worker. Okay, now I have to change integer. Again, save this. We can't change. Use the alter column. Alter table. Alter table student is the column column age integer. Forget the alter, auto alter. Column not name, column data type. You have to keep alter column agent. Okay. Now run the students. Till that. Okay. Now refresh. Not this. Again rerunning the. It is taking the memory 94. This visual show is the 239. Now the students student controller in this action name index get the anchor and age 32 as it is. We have to do. Thank you.